Hello everyone, it's Lindsay from the Vintage Button, a junk journal, a slow stitch. Do that as sustainably as possible, and this is Junk Journal July, and we are a good halfway through. Look what I've done with my book. So this is like the layered loveliness that I've had to sort of pin down so that I can work in it, and it'll probably stay like that for a while now, but I like it. I like the layers. So we're on to the second signature, and we're on soft pencil slow line. So I, of course, will be using Bee Happy Stationery's printables in this. It's only going to be tiny though. And if you want to see other creators, we've got playlists. They're in the description box below. You can add to that playlist. There's like one that you can add to, and there's one that there are other creators that are joining in with us that are on Sandra's design team. And yeah, they're having fun too. Go and watch them. They're amazing. Alright then, so 11, soft pencil, slow line. I wrote this prompt and then I was like, what was I thinking when I wrote this prompt? But actually, I've been thinking about it overnight. It's quite early in the morning in the UK. We're having yet another heat wave. So everything's going to be done early in the morning, I think, from now on. So I've got a bit of a croaky voice and everything. So I've got this little tiny boat from Bee Happy. Let me show you where it came from. So on the Dreams by the Sea kit, there is a fussy cut sheet, and it's from the fussy cut sheet, and it's actually a boat that sits on a table like that. And that's just because it's already perfectly sized for what I wanted, and it's brown. The other ones are blue, so I think that that would add a little bit of contrast. So we've got this boat, and what I want this boat to be doing is kind of like going up a wave, I think. So my slow line is going to be a wave line, and we're going to build up. I've got here with me, I've got, what are these? Colour pastel pencils and watercolour pencils and water soluble pastels and my watercolours. And like I've had these for years and never really used them. They've just gone, I've got a cart next to me that's got painty bits. They've sat on that cart and they haven't done anything. So today is their day. So we're going to just play with creating a line. So I thought I'd start off with a watercolour pencil. I really don't know, I guess, like that. And then I think there should be other lines, and then we'll just keep drawing lines, I think. I don't know what I'm doing. It could turn out not to be any good at all, but we don't know unless we try. And I think that's what today's about. It's about trying. I've got to say I'm liking it so far, because I should imagine once I've added my watercolours to it. Just going with another colour. I don't know if you can see that there. I must be concentrating. I've gone quiet. Let's do a line there. I'm trying to cross all the lines instead of just following in the pattern, which I've realised I've been doing that. That's really interesting. Why would you do that? It's like a body memory. Have we done that colour? What colour have we done? I've not done that colour. Okay. Similar colour to the other one. I want it coming up like that, so it's sort of, the little boat's going to be encased. Oh, I can see it now. I couldn't quite see it before. I just knew a little boat on a wave. It's just going to be a little composition. I mean, junk journals are sort of a type of art journal, aren't they? Or a type of sketchbook. So, like, I laughingly talk about my GCSE in art. But, you know, we had to make sketchbooks and studies of different bits and pieces. And I know, like, my daughter's just done an A level in art, and there's lots of sketchbooks and studies of different artists. There's no particular artist in mind with this, but it is a bit of a study of what can I do with pencils. I think I've even got Posca markers, so I might just throw everything at it. This is a bit of dopamine crafting. So the other day we did something that wasn't dopamine crafting, it was very intentional and slow. Oh, when I say the other day, it was quite some time back, on the quiet day. Whereas this is, I like that. I like that bump up. It's like swell. And I've mentioned there's a favourite picture in a local museum, in the Fitzwilliam Museum, and it's a Monet one, and it's of water crashing up against some rocks, like against a cliff, and the swell. Oh, just so, it's mesmerising. This is nowhere near that, obviously. But I do like water, and blue is my favourite colour. I like what's happening here and here. Go in with some lighter colours. And then we might go in with a watercolour and see what happens. You can even add sprays. Anything's up for this one. I have to find a quote. I'm not quite sure what quote to put on. If I put a quote on, I feel like I should. But then I also don't like the word should. Like that a bit messy. I mean, that being a bit messy. What do we think? I think we are on to watercolour. I still have my dirty water from when I did the tag and the Little Mermaid. Let's go in with light colours first. Let's just... see how water soluble all of this is. It all says on the boxes and the tins that it's water soluble, but we won't know until we try, won't we? Oh, we can go back over it. I don't even know. 8 minutes in. 8 minutes of me just playing. I know. I think people like videos that are very sort of, you know, like the components are almost there, and it's a put together type thing. But this is what I wanted to do for Slow Line. I think it is about slowing down, and the whole notion of like the prompts we put together this year. I was chatting to Sandra about it when I was putting them together, and we do want people to like have a bit of self-care, be looking after ourselves. No, I want that very dark colour next, and see a bit of that. What do you think? It's so dry in my room. Bit of water. I like it. can hear the cat outside. He's meowing, but he has been fed. We've had we had to put his flea treatment on because he's very much an outside cat, so for all our sakes we put some flea treatment on him once a month. And it's only a little spot of oil. It's not anything, it's not an injection or anything. Oh, it's like the end of the world in the summer. In the winter he doesn't notice it and he isn't bothered because he's an inside cat and he's just sleeping all the time. But in the summer it's like we've assaulted him, which makes us all feel fantastic. I like what that's happened there. Let's try and... Oh, it's really nice texture. I have a book. I want to illustrate a children's book. I don't know if I'll ever sell it. It's for my great nephew and my mum, who's a great grandma. He's not my great nephew. Yeah, he's my great nephew. He's my mum's great great grandson. My mum has lots of very old English, northern English sayings. And I want to capture them all, and it just seems like a great vehicle to use like a children's book. Right, I'm going to dry this, and then I think I'm going to go over with either my tempera sticks or my Posca markers. If I go tempera sticks, I can't paint over it yet, so that might be the last thing I do. It might be Posca markers, but I'm going to dry it. See you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I've put a little bit, just almost like the water, just there, so that it's not just the plain book page. But I don't think I'm going to do any more to the background. And I was thinking, I don't think I do want Posca markers. I'm going to go back in with these and just add some of those like contouring lines back. And then I'm going to put some white in, I think. I'm going to try with this. I do have some of that Dr. Phil's like bleed through white, and I've got white gesso somewhere, but I don't think I want anything as heavy as that. I think the crayons are gonna do it. Sweet. See if we can. Yeah, because look. Oh, look at that. Like, it's like texture, water texture. This is very satisfying. Now, if you just got simple watercolours and like wax crayons, you could do this. I would do the watercolour first and then go over with the wax crayon. I say that because I know that some people, that's all they can get hold of is like wax crayons and watercolours. But you can still do amazing things with those. Now, what did I do that? Have I done that one? I don't suppose it matters. Oh, I love it. That's much better than I thought it was going to turn out. I kind of had an idea, but I was like, I don't know how it's going to go. We don't know until we try. And I have this sort of theory that you kind of do things badly until they're not, until you don't do them badly anymore. Like, just to have a go. And I think, particularly as I get older, I need to embrace that more because, like, I kind of want to naturally just stay in a safe lane and just do what I normally do. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's some days just stay in that safe lane. Do what you know makes you happy and kind of what you know will yield you results that, satisfy. Definitely. Oh, look at that. Oh, like that. Just on the edges. And then like some little bits. Does that look like a sea? I think it looks like a sea. That's my soft pencil slow line. Right, where's my boat? And there she is. That's very cute. I think I might frame it in some gold and then we're away, we're done. This was a very enjoyable, I'm going to call it 20 minutes, 25 minutes for the drying. I think really all I needed was the water-soluble pastels and the watercolours. But like I said, you could probably do that with a number of different things. I like it. A simple page with a mermaid looking on. There we go. Second signature started. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found value, you're still here, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. All the little things that help my little channel grow. And like I said, head over to the description, find out who else is involved, go and visit them. Of course, go and visit the amazing Sandra at Bee Happy Stationery over at her Ko-fi. There's lots of freebies. Her kits are very reasonably priced, and yeah, download. It's not too late. It's never too late to start Junk Journal July. All right then. Bye bye.